In a world driven by data and complexity, intelligence is no longer enough. It must be extended. At the intersection of technology and decision-making, XRF, Areco Ingenieria, and Aditech Global unite to deliver AI-powered solutions that transform how organizations see, think, and act. Together, we bring extended intelligence, combining artificial intelligence, digital twins, and immersive technologies to guide critical decisions toward the best possible outcomes. This is where innovation meets precision, and where every decision leads to a good end. In moments when complexity takes over, leaders need clarity. We stand as a key support for decision makers facing the most challenging scenarios. Our mission is simple: to transform overwhelming data into clear, visual, and accessible information. With the power of generative AI, we don't just process information, we learn, adapt, and maximize every possible option. This is how we ensure that every choice is made with confidence, every action is taken with precision, and every outcome moves us toward the best possible end. When disaster strikes or critical missions unfold, every second counts. That's why we created XRF Compass, a unified ecosystem designed to empower every level of command, from strategic planning to tactical execution. At the strategic level, Colossus brings multi-touch tables and tablets to life, enhancing communication, control, and supervision when the bigger picture matters most. On the operational front, Sandbox merges mixed reality with advanced command posts, consolidating data from multiple sources into one intuitive interface for collaborative multi-user decision-making. For those in the field, Apollo is the lifeline. A mobile application that works online or offline, enabling units to communicate, plan missions, and track movements in real time. In the skies, Icarus takes flight. Autonomous aerial support that operates without GPS, guided by maps, and ready to execute missions with precision. And at the heart, guts, and brain of it all, Hermes. Our on-premises generative AI processes vast amounts of data, delivering insights and recommendations that turn complexity into clarity. Together, these tools ensure that when the unexpected happens, everyone, at every level, knows what to do, when to do it, and how to act decisively, to save lives and guide every mission to a good end. In the field, clarity is power, and XRF.Sandbox brings that clarity to every scenario. In the industrial world, it overlays critical operational data into a shared virtual space. Teams can see infrastructure, logistics, and security feeds in real time, anticipating problems before they escalate. On the military front, it becomes a virtual command post, allowing commanders and troops to visualize the battlefield, plan coordinated maneuvers, and adapt instantly to changing conditions. And in emergencies, where chaos can overwhelm, XRF.Sandbox projects disaster zones, fire spread, flood lines, and evacuation routes directly into the command center. Decision makers can act with precision, deploying resources where they're needed most. Whether it's industry, defense, or disaster response, XRF.Sandbox unites people, information, and action, ensuring that when it matters most, the right decisions happen fast. In November 2022 in Orlando, Florida, we conducted a cutting-edge mixed reality simulation using the scenario of Cartagena, Murcia. This virtual meeting seamlessly connected participants from Spain, Madrid, and Gran Canaria, with counterparts in the USA and Florida. We begin by interacting directly with the environment through immersive tags, selecting specific areas such as Cartagena scene, or activating live drone feeds and GPS routes. From here, we send commands to remote assets in real time. These could be ships, drones, or other operational units, each receiving precise mission instructions directly from the virtual command environment. At the same time, the scenario can be shared with remote users, allowing multiple participants from different locations to see and interact with the same operational picture. The system supports real-time video streaming from assets in the field, delivering live situational awareness to decision makers. Collaboration is immediate. Housewise, real-time interaction ensures that experts, operators, and commanders can work together regardless of physical distance. Our complete mixed reality sandbox allows for safe, controlled mission planning and execution with the flexibility to simulate various operational environments. Unlimited digital panels give users the ability to bring up maps, mission overlays, data feeds, or analytics at any time. And beyond operations, the same platform supports remote assistance, training, maintenance, and even health services, ensuring teams are supported wherever they are. This is the future of connected, collaborative, and immersive mission management. The XRF platform begins with a clear message, guiding decisions to a good end. From the very first frame, we step into a secure, credential-based environment where each organization has its own virtual room. Here, access is controlled and collaboration is tailored to the mission at hand. Inside, a geospatial command table comes to life. High-resolution satellite imagery unfolds before us, ready to be explored, layered, and analyzed. The communication wall stands by, ready to connect teams across the world in real time. Live meteorological data is integrated seamlessly, giving operators the power to see how the weather will impact every decision, every movement. This is a truly multi-user space. Avatars representing team members join the mission, interacting around the same operational picture, reviewing live drone feeds, real-time video intelligence, and situational maps. With the APP6 standard symbology toolkit, every point of interest is marked with precision: friendly, hostile, neutral, or unknown. And before a marker is placed, it's pre-visualized, so every symbol on the map means exactly what it should. The drawing tool allows live annotations over the terrain, sketching routes, outlining secure zones, or marking threats instantly visible to all. And with the map control panel, locations, layers, and labels are managed effortlessly, keeping the operational picture clear, structured, and synchronized. Within the operational scenario, the attendee panel lists all connected participants, such as Captain Sevillano and Agustina, each with live microphone status for instant communication. From here, operators can open the settings panel, adjusting audio preferences, selecting coordinate formats like WGS84, MGRS, or UTM, and configuring the environment to match mission requirements. Next, the interface switches to UAV remote control. A live drone feed appears on the virtual display, showing a low-altitude perspective of the terrain. Mission operators can choose between manual piloting or pre-programmed movement patterns, all visible on the shared map below. As the UAV navigates, the system overlays its position onto the 3D satellite map, allowing teams to track movement in real time. The feed updates seamlessly, giving the team both a wide operational view and a detailed on-the-ground perspective. Through this integration, the XRF platform enables not only visual reconnaissance, but also collaborative mission control, where every movement, every piece of imagery, and every decision is instantly shared across the team. In moments where every second counts, control is everything. The portal management system becomes the nerve center of our operations, where decision makers can access maps, monitor equipment and units, create or adapt scenes, and deploy resources in real time. It's more than a dashboard. It's a living, breathing command environment. With the ability to integrate simulators, share content, and manipulate 3D models, every element of the mission is visualized, optimized, and ready for action. This is where complexity becomes clarity, where preparation meets execution, and where leaders gain the tools to act swiftly and decisively. In a world where clarity and speed define success, our features turn information into action. With computer vision, we see what others might miss, identifying objects, patterns, and anomalies in real time. Event tracking and logging ensures that every movement, every decision is recorded, analyzed, and ready to be learned from. Our multi-user platform connects people across distances, allowing secure and simultaneous collaboration no matter where they are. And with our operations and training modules, teams can track live missions or prepare for the challenges ahead with realistic AI simulators. Every feature is designed for one purpose: to transform complexity into confident, decisive action. Emergencies can arise at any moment: wildfires, floods, critical situations that demand swift and precise action. Planex Colossus is the new platform we have integrated for comprehensive crisis management. It removes redundant elements and concentrates the entire operation into advanced modules, from the automatic activation of emergency protocols to a giant operations table that centralizes all information and decision-making. It enables the management of resources, coordination of units, and organization of roles in full compliance with legal requirements. It also optimizes shift scheduling and mission assignment, ensuring every team member knows exactly what to do, where, and when. The application delivers clear instructions and facilitates coordination with other teams, while artificial intelligence ensures that the first minutes, the most critical, become a perfectly synchronized process, increasing response speed and, above all, saving lives. Every mission demands a network of technologies working in perfect harmony. With streaming capabilities, we deliver real-time information where it's needed most. GIS transforms raw data into living, interactive maps tailored to each mission's unique needs. IoT integration unites countless sensors and devices, from temperature and vibration to environmental readings, creating a unified operational picture. Through Mavlink and ROS, unmanned systems, whether in the air, on land, or underwater, connect seamlessly, executing predefined routes with precision. And with full interoperability under NATO standards, our platform ensures that every partner, every system, and every command can work together as one. This is technology without barriers, ready for the realities of the field. At the heart of operations lies the Command and Control Center, a space where every camera, every sensor, and every drone becomes an extension of our eyes and ears. Here, real-time data streams converge into a unified operational picture, enabling comprehensive supervision of critical infrastructure. The system seamlessly integrates high-resolution aerial imagery, live weather data, sensor readings, and drone feeds into an immersive 3D environment. Operators can zoom into any sector, monitor ongoing incidents, and coordinate field teams with pinpoint accuracy. From tracking urban flooding in real time to overseeing large-scale public events, the Command and Control Center ensures that decision-makers are never blind to what's happening on the ground. It's the nerve center for incident management, delivering awareness, coordination, and control all in the moment when it matters most. Before disaster strikes, preparation is everything. This is where our emergency simulation module comes in. An AI-powered environment capable of simulating chemical explosions, gas leaks, and large-scale fires with pinpoint accuracy. By overlaying predictive heat maps on high-resolution satellite imagery, we can anticipate the spread of hazards in real time. The system dynamically adapts to changes in wind, temperature, and terrain, allowing decision-makers to test multiple response strategies before deploying resources. This proactive approach turns emergency planning from a static document into a living, breathing operation, ensuring that when the real incident happens, every second counts and every action is already rehearsed. Air traffic safety begins with preparation, and our remote air control tower training system brings the runway into the classroom. This immersive setup replicates the full 360 degrees view of an airport control tower, integrating live data feeds, radar, and simulation environments for realistic decision-making under pressure. It allows trainees and instructors to be located anywhere in the world, connected through secure networks, ensuring operational continuity even when physical access to the tower is not possible. From managing complex traffic patterns to responding to in-flight emergencies, every scenario can be rehearsed repeatedly, building both confidence and precision before stepping into the real tower. On behalf of XRF, Areco Ingenieria, and Adatech, we thank you for your time and attention. Our mission is clear: to deliver cutting-edge deployable solutions that empower decision-makers, protect critical infrastructure, and ensure operational excellence anywhere in the world. We look forward to building the future together.